Hey, babe, girls don't fart, right?
No, silly, what the heck?
Oh, okay, it's just kind of weird. We've been together for quite some time now, and I've never heard or smelled a fart.
Because we don't. It's just the way we were made.
What about Taco Tuesday last week? You got that huge burrito and had all those beans in it? I mean,
Babe,
there's no
seriously,
way.
drop it. I mean, I'm your girlfriend. Why can't you just trust me?
No, I do. I'm sorry. I'll drop it, okay?
Okay, thanks, babe.
All right, well, I'm going to go over there and watch some football, okay? Completely distracted. You stay here. Don't mind me. All right, I'll just be over there for a really long time, okay? Just stay here.
Okay,
right.
have fun, babe.
All right. Be over there.
Okay.
Watching football, completely distracted. Completely distracted. Okay, what the
Babe,
f*** is that
I
then?
thought you were watching football.
Hey, football's on Sundays.
Babe, I can explain.
Oh, God, I can't breathe.
I'm sorry, babe.
Oh,